The Atlantic Ocean is ramping up in terms of tropical activity, and we're keeping an eye on two different areas of development. The area highlighted here in red is our main concern, though that blue highlighted area is expected to stay out in the open Atlantic waters. But the area in red, that's where the National Hurricane Center has a 40% chance of development within the next 7 days. But there still are a lot of questions that surround this area as it still is fairly disorganized. The question is, how far west can it get before it starts to strengthen and starts to develop? Now, this model here does a fairly good job of painting the two different types of pictures that could happen with this development. Right here shows the recurving path. If it starts to intensify rather quickly, it kind of recurves out into the Atlantic Ocean, and we don't really expect many impacts with that development. Although if it stays disorganized and starts to enter the warm Caribbean waters, that's when we see that western extent, and that's when we start to see impacts to the Lesser Antilles, Caribbean islands, and even potentially into the mainland US. Still lots of questions to be answered with this type of development, how it develops, how does it strengthen, lots of questions to be answered. We'll have all the details at bamwx.com.